completely irrelevant, right? Well, it's just, I wanted to show you, I think, a different way of figuring out where the one is. And instead of trying to put you many instruments or trying to make you use a clave, forget about it, not a bongo, not a guitar, not even anything else. I've got 30 instruments in here, and I think this is the most valuable instrument to get you to understand, because it has 3 distinct sounds. One of the most distinct sounds, I don't know, sorry about if the pronunciation is wrong, is the double bass. So loud. You can hear it now that it's the only thing playing. First, we're going to learn that that sound is always on 4 and 8, never anywhere else. So knowing that will help us understand rhythmically when we start on 1. Now, if you're on 2 dancer, you want to listen for the slap, which I will show now, but you can also benefit by listening to the kum kum. Very powerful sound. So out of 20 instruments playing, you'll be able to listen to this instrument. Now let's move on to the other 2 sounds, and then we'll see how all these things work together. The other most distinct sound, I think, is the slap on the count 2. It's a very different sound than this, and the slap. Okay, so 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Just listening to this one instrument already starts getting you into the beat. Now, there's 2 phases we have to go through. By the way, I'm very meticulous about teaching something like this, so I don't know if this is gonna be a long video. Stay along with the ride, because I promise you by the end of this video, you will know these 2 very important things: rhythm and melody, and finding out the one always. So, wanting to find out the one out of the heel toe, this is number 3. It's called heel toe, heel toe. The musicians call it like that, it's their fingers. You can have them flat or bent, doesn't matter, it's up to your own style. So this is the one distinct sound, slap is the other one, and the double bass is the most powerful one. Even if I play it soft, you can always hear it, boom, 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 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, 1, 2, 3, boom, boom. All right? 50% you're in. You know if you're listening to. When you step forward straight after that, you're either on 1 or on 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. So if you're a guy, you're going either forward, you want to go forward with the 1, and the lady back when you're dancing with a couple. So by ear now, if you hear this melody, Kimbara kumbara kuba bim bam bam, that is exactly 1/8. So when we're listening to a sentence as dancers, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A musician will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But for us, we can hear 2 bars of music, 4 counts and 4 counts, which goes Kimbara kumbara kuba bim bam bam. So if I was playing only this, you wouldn't know where your 1 or your 5 is. You would just be 1 here, okay, 5 here, okay. When I was saying Kimbara kumbara kuba bim bam ba, you can straight away hear that you can't start go boom bam bam. It's like the end of the sentence, right? Like another famous melody. Bim bam bim ba bam bam bam. Bim bam bim ba bam bam bam. Bim bam bim ba bim bam bam. Bim bam bim ba bim bam bam. You can hear it. Bim bam bim ba bim bam bam. Bing, bam, bing, ba, bing, bam, bam. So step 1, recognize in that chaos of 20 instruments where which is very pronounced, and you will find it and start stepping forward after that. Doesn't matter if it's on 1 or 5. Learn that. So second advice, after always stepping forward, lady or guy, try to find out the trumpet, the violin, the piano, the singer, the melody that I just did. It sounds natural to start ding, doom, ding, do, ding, doom, ding. That's a nice 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kimbara, kumbara, kuba, bim, bam, ba. It doesn't feel natural to start gimbara gumbara, and then you have guba bing bam bam. So you start on the guba bing bam bam. That's not the one, that's the 5. Does that make any sense? Find the melody that you know in a song and listen to it when it starts. Some salsa songs may start the melody on 2. Those are better danced on 2, of course, but it doesn't matter. You can dance to them on 1, LA, Cuban, Colombian style, any style you want. It all depends on your ear and the way to apply what you listen to your feet correctly. So I hope I haven't rambled on too much, guys. This is the first time that I decided to use one of my instruments. Oh no, sorry, second time. I also have one video, I'll put it at the end, where I'm teaching regular salsa clave versus rumba, afro rumba clave. That is a very nice video to see and exactly where the clave hits after you learned and benefited from this video to find the one. I hope I helped you guys. Make sure you comment and rate. What would you like to know and see next? We'll be very happy to see the comments and make a video just for you. See you on the next one.